Welcome to my channel Beat the Myth. I am Pavitra Monaik. Today I need to discuss some problem of trigonometry. The question is given so that cos 10 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 50 degree, cos 70 degree is equal to 3 by 16. Okay, at first you take LHS. LHS is equal to cos 10 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 50 degree, cos 70 degree. Okay, now you can write cos 10 degree, cos 50 degree, cos 70 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, this 30 degree I have written here. You know the value of cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, now you see this is cos 10 degree, cos 50 we can write cos 60 minus 10 degree. 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. Then cos 70, that is cos 60 plus 10 degree into cos 30 degree. There is a formula cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Okay, you use this formula here. You see now how much you can get. This is cos, all total this cos 10, cos 60 minus 10, cos 60 plus 10. You see, you compare this and this. Cos A, cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3. That means enter up to this much, that is 1 by 4 cos 3 into A is equal to 30 plus into cos 30 degree. Okay, that means you see 10 degree. Okay, that means you see this is 1 by 4 cos 3 into 10, that is cos 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, you know the value of cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, that is 1 by 4 root 3 by 2, again root 3 by 2, root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 16 is equal to RHS. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Find the value of cos 15 degree. Okay, we cannot get directly cos 15 degree. Okay, now you write cos 15 degree is equal to cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, so is equal to cos 45 minus 30. You know the formula, cos A minus B, cos A minus B, that is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Here you use this formula, that is cos 45 into cos 30 minus sin 45 into sin 30. Okay, cos 45, how much the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, minus sin 45 is equal to how much? 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is equal to how much? Half. Okay, now take LCM 2 root 2. This is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Find the value of tan 15 degree. Okay, you see tan 15 degree is equal to tan 45 degree minus 30 degree, that is tan 45 minus 30. You know the formula tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divide 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, you use this formula here, that is tan A minus B, that is tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree divide 1 minus 1 plus, here plus not minus, 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. Okay, you know the formula tan 45 is equal to how much? 1 tan 30, tan 30 is equal to sin 30 by cos 30, sin 30 half, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Okay, that is tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 divide 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, here also 1 plus root 3 by root 3. Okay, root 3 will cancel out. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Root 3 cancel out is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is your tan 15 degree. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Express the following trigonometric ratio of some acute angle. The question is given sine 1185. Okay, we can express it in acute angle. Acute means the angle which lies in 0 to 90. Okay, you see sine 1185 is equal to sine you see 360 into 3, how much? 038 1080, that is 3 into, here you see 1185 1080 is equal to 105. Okay, 3 into 360 plus 105 degree. Okay, that means is equal to sine, you know the formula, sine n pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. Use this formula here, you can get n is equal to 3, sine 3 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta, and that is sine 105 degree. Okay, is equal to sine 105 is more than 90, so we cannot say 105 is acute angle, so 105 is equal to 90 plus 15 degree. Okay, is equal to sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, that is cos theta is equal to 15 degree. Okay, so sine 1185 degree is equal to cos 15 degree. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Find the maximum and minimum value of the following. The question is given 5 sin x plus 12 cos x. Okay, now you take 5 is equal to r cos theta. 5 square is equal to r square cos square theta. 12 is equal to, here you see let. Okay, 12 is equal to r sin theta. 12 square, that is 144, is equal to r square sin square theta. R square sin square theta. Okay, add these two. Okay, 5 square plus 144. 5 square, that is 25. 25 plus 144 is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Okay, is equal to r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. You know the formula, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So is equal to r square into 1, that is only r square. Here you see 25 plus 144, that is 169. Okay, r is equal to how much? R is equal to plus or minus root 13. I can take positive. Okay, r is equal to 13. Here you put 5 is equal to r cos theta, that is r cos theta plus into sin x plus 12 is equal to r sin theta into cos x. Okay, taking common r both side, taking common r only, not both side. This is cos theta, this is, we can write sin x into cos theta plus, taking common r from here also, cos x into sin theta. Okay, r is equal to how much? That r is equal to 13. Okay, this is sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b, that is sin a plus b. So this is equal to sin a plus b x plus theta. Okay, so is equal to, you see, is equal to 13. Here you see sin x plus theta. You know the maximum value of sin theta is equal to 1. So 13 into 1 is equal to 13. Okay, and the minimum value of sin theta is equal to minus 1. So is equal to 13 into minus 1 is equal to minus 13. That means the maximum value of sin theta is equal to 13 and the minimum value of sin theta is equal to minus 13. Pause the video, note it down. You write here the maximum, here we write the maximum value of 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta is equal to 13. The minimum value of 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta is equal to minus 13. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to pi by 4. LHS you see 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3 again tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay, you use this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to tan inverse x plus y plus z minus xyz by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, here is equal to how much? This is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 7. Divide 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 ab minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. Okay, is equal to tan inverse this is equal to, you see, LCM 3 3 7 63, LCM is equal to 63, 3 7 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7 LCM is equal to 21, not 63. Okay, 3 7, this is 3 minus 1 by 63, divide 1 minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 21 minus 1 by 21. Okay, is equal to tan inverse, this is 7 plus 7, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 by 21 minus 1 by 63, divide, here LCM is equal to 9 21 21, LCM is equal to 63. Okay, so this is equal to 63 minus 7 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, is equal to tan inverse LCM 63 51 minus 1 here 7 plus 3 10 10 minus 3 50 by 63 51 minus 1 is equal to 50 is equal to tan inverse 50 by 63 again 50 by 63 50 by 63 50 by 63 cancel out is equal to tan inverse 1 tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4 proved is equal to RHS is equal to RHS. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given, if a plus b is equal to 45, prove that cot a minus 1 cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now you take a plus b is equal to 45, taking cot both sides, cot a plus b is equal to cot 45. Okay, cot a plus b formula, what is cot a plus b? Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b is equal to cot 45 is equal to 1. Okay, now you can get cot a into cot b minus 1 is equal to minus 1, you multiply here, you can get cot a plus cot b. Okay, so this is equal to cot a into cot b minus 1 you minus cot a minus cot b, here cot a plus cot b right side I have taken into left is equal to this minus 1, you can write here 1. Okay, now add, here you add 1 both sides, you can get cot a into cot b minus cot a minus cot b plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 2. Okay, taking common cot a is equal to cot b minus 1 from these two. Okay, taking common 1 minus 1. Okay, cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. That means cot b minus 1 is equal to cot b minus 1 into cot a minus 1 is equal to 2, which is already given, implies cot a minus 1 by cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. Proved. This problem you have attempt like this. Okay, pause the video, note it down.